everyone! Today I will be showing you a fun diamond pattern using double half hitch knots that you can add into your macrame projects. Let's get started. To begin, I went ahead and attached 7 ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. Our first step is to make the top half of our diamond. To do this, I'm going to find the 2 cords directly in the middle, and I'm going to point the one on the left down and to the left, and the one on the right goes down and to the right. Starting with the left cord, I'm going to tie all these remaining strings around our leading rope with double half hitch knots. Now repeat on the right side. Now we will be making 2 more rows following our original lines. So find the 2 ropes in the middle once again. We're going to take these 2 ropes, and you'll notice that if we point them as we did before, there'll be kind of this big gap here in the middle. So what we're going to do to fix this is we just cross them over each other. And now I'm going to tie the remaining strings around this cord. So I'm going to take that next one and tie my double half hitch knot like before. And we will leave the 2 ropes here off at the end. Now we're going to take that other cord and repeat on the right side. Find the 2 cords in the middle once again, cross them over, and tie 2 more double half hitch knots around each rope. We will begin tying the bottom part of our diamond. I'm going to find the 6 cords here in the middle that kind of made up the smallest section, and I'm going to take the cord on the far left and tie 2 double half hitch knots around it. Repeat on the right. Connect these 2 strings here in the middle together with another double half hitch knot. Now take the 2 cords here that were part of this row. That one on the far left is going to make up the next leading rope for the next row. Tie 4 double half hitch knots around this rope. Repeat on the right side. Connect the 2 ropes once again in the middle with another double half hitch knot. And finally, we are going to do the outer edge of our diamond by taking those 2 cords on the far left and right and pointing them down to connect in the middle. Connect the middle with another double half hitch knot. And there we go. So this is how you can create a macrame diamond pattern. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.